Hey guys, it's Daniel Alley, and a lot of people ask me, how do you overcome your fears? Well, first, you have to understand what your fears actually are before you overcome them. So the first step is to write them down. What are your actual fears, and what is stopping you from doing the thing that you want to do the most? Once you write down your fears and understand your emotions, you have to take the second step. You have to understand the what ifs. Create some what if scenarios. What if I skydive? Would I actually die, or would I actually make it? What if I actually did something that was risky? Would it actually help me, or would it actually hurt me? Once you create these what if scenarios, you're going to be able to understand exactly what you need to do to make it happen. The third thing you need to do is research. Look, you have to look online, you have to read books, you have to talk to people and understand exactly what you're getting yourself into. Sometimes you don't have to do research. For instance, if you're afraid of going into something and you know that if you research it, it might scare you away, then don't do the research. But if you're someone who knows that you'll be motivated by doing research, then make sure you study up and understand exactly what you're walking into. Once you understand your fears and your emotions, and you write it down, and you understand the what ifs, and you do your research, it's time for the fourth step, which is to take action. Once you feel the fear, now it's time to actually jump into it. You have to do it. You have to make it happen if you really want to see results. So let's say, for instance, that you want to start a business. You have to understand your fears. Okay, the fear of poverty, the fear of criticism, the fear of failure. Once you understand your fears and your emotions, then you ask yourself what ifs. What if I actually failed? What if this product didn't work out? What if the people actually don't buy at the price that I'm selling at? Now, once you understand the what ifs, it helps you understand exactly what you're doing, exactly where you're going, and exactly who you're doing business with. Now, the third step is to do your research. Now that you know you want to go into business and you made that decision and you overcame your fears and you saw all the what ifs, you created those scenarios, now it's time to do the research. What business do you want to get into? And if you know your business, then you look into that business and you try to understand what you need to do to penetrate it more appropriately. Once you understand the strategy and the approach, now it's time to start your business. Now it's time to create your product and your service and start to brand, market, and sell it to the people that you know need it the most. All right, there you go, my friends. I've given you 4 steps to help you overcome your fears. Once you understand exactly what I'm saying and apply it in your life, you'll be able to do the impossible, because now you have the authority to live on the highest level. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification button, and comment in the section below, because I want to know exactly what you're doing to overcome your fears and exactly where you're going once you do. I'll see you in the next video.